The wait is finally over, and what we are looking at today is not just a minor refresh, but a complete redefinition of what premium audio means in the year 2026. For 6 long years, the tech world has speculated, leaked, and dreamed about what Apple would do to follow up on the most iconic pair of over-ear headphones ever made. Some said the design was perfect, others argued it was outdated, but today, we have the definitive answer. The AirPods Max 2 have officially arrived, and they are carrying the weight of a massive legacy on their stainless steel shoulders. When you first look at them, you might think you're seeing a familiar face, but beneath that refined exterior lies a powerhouse of innovation that pushes the boundaries of computational audio further than we ever thought possible. We are talking about a jump in processing power that changes everything from how you take a phone call in a busy city to how you experience a blockbuster movie in your living room. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. This isn't just about a new charging port or a fresh coat of paint. This is about the H2 chip finally making its grand debut in the Max lineup, bringing with it a suite of features that makes the original model feel like a relic from a different era. Imagine walking through a crowded terminal at JFK or a bustling street in London, and with a single tap, the world around you simply vanishes. Apple has promised that the active noise cancellation on these new units is 1.5 times more effective than before. That might sound like a small number on paper, but in practice, it is the difference between hearing a muffled hum and experiencing absolute silence. The magic here is the H2 silicon, which is now performing billions of operations per second to analyze your environment and neutralize frequencies that were previously untouchable. But it's not just about what you don't hear. It's about the clarity of what you do. Apple has introduced a new high-dynamic range amplifier paired with a custom-built driver that delivers audio so clean it feels like the artist is performing right in front of you. The bass is more consistent, the mids are more natural, and the highs have a sparkle that avoids any hint of fatigue. This is a sound signature designed for the purists, the creators, and anyone who refuses to compromise on quality. One of the most talked-about additions this year is the introduction of adaptive audio and conversation awareness. We've seen these features on the AirPods Pro, but seeing them implemented on the Max 2 is a game-changer for professional workflows and daily commutes. The headphones now intelligently blend transparency mode and active noise cancellation to tailor the noise control experience to your shifting environment. If a siren passes by, the headphones react instantly. If you start speaking to a colleague, the music automatically dips, and the voices around you are enhanced so you don't have to lift a finger or take the headset off. It's a level of seamlessness that we've come to expect from the Apple ecosystem, but seeing it work on this scale is truly something to behold. And for the first time, we are seeing the integration of live translation directly into the audio pipeline. Powered by Apple Intelligence, these headphones can now act as your personal interpreter, translating foreign languages in real time and feeding the audio directly into your ears. It feels like living in the future, and it's a feature that will undoubtedly make these the ultimate travel companion for 2026. Despite the internal revolution, Apple has made a conscious choice to stick with the design language that made the original Max a fashion statement. The mesh canopy, the telescoping arms, and the massive aluminum ear cups remain, though they've been refined with 100% recycled materials, aligning with Apple's 2030 carbon-neutral goals. But look closer at the digital crown. It's no longer just a volume knob. In a brilliant move, Apple has enabled the digital crown to act as a remote shutter for your iPhone or iPad camera. Whether you're setting up a group shot or filming a vlog, you can now trigger your camera directly from your headset. It's these small, thoughtful integrations that separate Apple from the competition. And yes, the move to USB-C is now fully realized, supporting not just universal charging but also 24-bit 48 kHz lossless audio for those who demand the absolute highest fidelity during wired listening sessions.